Hi, here's Dave from WATCHDAVID. Nice to have you back. Today I have a very great watch for you from the house of Seiko. Please take a look at this green beauty. I love this dark green. My light is not so good here, sorry. The full review is always in my blog, with much details, photos and specifications. And now have fun with the unboxing. Bye!
So, here you can see now nicely Seiko typical the black outer packaging, slightly larger than the normal, the white. Here again the barcode with official price. Regarding the box, as I said, slightly larger than the normal white. I think it's pretty cool. I like that, yes, just the black becomes a bit more premium. And as always down inside you can see here the description again for different models in the warranty booklet in blue tone with warranty card. And typical silver the big bold description. I don't even know why I still put something like this inside. There are many other watch manufacturers who no longer do that. They make it available digitally. Oh well, everyone as he thinks. Here is the actual packaging. I can't tell exactly what it is. It's cardboard with stickers. I do not know. A little bit with a pattern on it. Yeah. The actual watch inside is on the cushion. Looks very good. So here the first thing you see is the typical turtle outfit, the turtle design. Nice on the steel, all nicely glued. With original shield from the Seiko Prospex series. The clasp is also nicely enclosed. Yes. Which is immediately noticeable. Sorry here about the light. I'm still experimenting there. But this green is much greener and much cooler in live. Unlike the product photos as seen on the internet. Here you can already see the bezel. Let me turn it. You don't hear a click, there's no engagement. You can turn it how you want, back and forth, because that's a compass. I think that's pretty cool. And other than that, hands and co can be adjusted very well, typical of Seiko. I make now times a foil off, so that one sees the bracelet again a little better. Otherwise, as I said, the detailed review is already in my blog, with all the specifications and so on. I have the watch already a few days around and I really have to say I like it very much, and I am actually a real diving watches fan. Yes, the watch is just fun to wear on the wrist, and of course you have to like the turtle design. I always find it a welcome change, and even on my small wrist the watch seems a bit too big. Quite in quotes, but it wears it incredibly light. That's due to the case shape. Yes, so otherwise, sure, stainless steel Seiko typical. The clasp, the folding clasp. And here you can see it again with the bezel. No click, nothing to hear. The green is really, really nice. In live. Sorry for all the dust, I didn't pay attention to it now. I hope it doesn't bother so much. Otherwise, as I said, the whole specification and so on are already clearly sorted in my blog. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And please follow my channel and click the bell, then you will get a message when I post something new. Without the bell you get no info. So I'm looking forward, and until next time. Until then, take care.